Oh my God, what happened to your partner?
So
Okay, guys, we're here. Let's start fishing now.
okay, let's start fishing and then we will go. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our channel, Buhay Probinsya.
AYYAHAY! So today's video, guys, we're doing the English challenge only. What should we do today, partner?
It's fishing time.
Alright, let's fish. So are we gonna ride something or
No, it's jump.
it's jump?
Yes.
We're gonna jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Oh my God, what happened to your partner?
So
Okay, guys, we're here. Let's start fishing now.
okay, let's start fishing and then we will go.
Today is my partner where he will explain to you guys how to attach water spinach on the hook. So guys, let's do it now.
Do it.
Alright. Okay, let's prepare. Okay, my partner is setting up our rods. Yeah, this is our rod. This is a bamboo stick. Yeah.
Bamboo? Not.
Yeah, it's a kind of bamboo.
It's a kind of
Partner?
bamboo partner.
Yeah.
Okay.
The name is, what is the name already? Bamboo.
Bamboo partner.
Bamboo. Oh yeah, bamboo.
I can set up the bamboo to be hung. Okay. And then until to set up, we can let's start
Oh yay!
very hard to do this. Very hard to do this partner.
Why partner? Why are you sad now?
Because my nose is bleeding.
Oh my God!
Give me the water partner.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Partner, your nose is bleeding.
Very hard.
Very hard. Oh my God, that's real. Oh my God. My partner. Oh my goodness. Alright, my partner will explain how to attach the water spinach. Okay, partner. Please explain to us. Some of our subscribers are asking how to do it.
How to prepare.
Yes.
I can prepare first. You can go to the river and you can catch the water spinach.
Alright.
First one you can some Mountain Dew and Pajua. Let's toast, father, and
Cheers,
say
father.
hi to AYYAHAY. Not toast. Di ba,
It's
mistake?
like when we are drinking, partner. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Drinking liquor.
Okay.
Partner, be careful. Soon your nose is bleeding again. Later guys, we gonna cook our lunch. We're going to cook sinigang fish. That's what we call how do you call that, partner? No, I mean our dish.
So this is
Sinigang.
sinigang.
We called it dish. It's like it's not the dishes. If you're washing dishes, it's not the plate like that. We call it dish because
Our menu is sinigang.
yeah, our menu is sinigang today, guys. So watch. My partner is the cooker today.
Yes. After that, shout out to
You have a list,
Yes.
partner. Was that our subscribers?
shout out for Person Valdez.
Take
Hi,
care
me.
always.
Take care. And Jaime Gambo.
I love you guys.
I love you. Lina Palmares.
Alright.
Shout out to Kesa Guam TV. Thank you for support and the Filipino worker from Jeddah.
Alright.
Arvin
Take
J.
care
Angeles, Angel and Twins TV. Thank you for your surprise in watching on my channel, on our channel. And
Who
Kissing
else?
with John and Angie. Thank you for your support.
Yeah.
And to this guy, Elmer Bragasin. Elmer, I love you. Bragasin.
And guys,
Wow. And Anthony Fidelis. Thank you for watching and
thank you for
subscribe.
watching, guys.
And OFW Dua Qatar, shout out. Ker Blanza. This boy is so very handsome and active. And you know, he's a kind of Ker Blanza. And then from Canada, shout out to all OFWs of Canada. Also John Paulo, his brother Paulo. Hi John Paulo, I love you, his brother Paulo.
Who else? We got a lot of
And
lists.
Mario Botere,
Oh, that's my
thank you
future husband.
for your support. Thank you, Mario Botere.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I have something to tell also.
Yes, partner,
partner.
what's your...
To our newly subscriber, please watch 1 minute so that
Wow! So delicious! Then, the main ingredients, fish lalu. Sabar! Ayan.
Alright. Let's gonna do the rapatatango. Wow!
Very, very good. because it's eating that.
Alright, let's eat AYYAHAY. Oh, so fresh.
The rice.
And AYYAHAY, fish eat the water. Not only the fish eat the water, also the people. Oh my god, it's so hot. Is this chili spicy?
Slightly. that?
The fish is called
Komodo
carp. Carp.
carp.
Yeah, this is carp.
This is carp. Okay.
Okay, guys.
So big.
It's so big, right?
Right.
Okay. I will put it in the net.
Net. Okay, partner. You can put it and let's go again to catch the fish.
Alright, guys. We already caught one. A big fish.
Okay, AYYAHAY. It's done fishing.
Yeah. This is what we caught today, guys. And we didn't took a video because you know it's so hot here. We just took little videos.
Thank you for watching AYYAHAY.
Let's walk. Let's go. Your back is hurt. That's why let's walk now. Alright, that's all for now. AYYAHAY.
Bye bye.
Going home. Bye bye.